Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. And for those of you that are returning, welcome back, welcome back. And to my new subscribers, I welcome you and I hope you stick around. Today we're going to be making some sausage gravy. I've already made my biscuits, and if you want the biscuit recipe, it's already on my channel. Just look for Southern Buttermilk Biscuits. So we're going to get started on this sausage gravy. Yes, it's having a little old southern style breakfast this morning. Okay, so give me a moment and I'll show you everything you need so you can make this for you, your family, your friends at home. Okay, hold on 1 second. You need 1 pound of sausage. I'm using the Jimmy Dean premium pork sausage, the regular flavor, not the hot. So this is just one pound roll, and I'm going to fry this up and crumble it up really well, and then we'll move to the next step. But also, you're going to need 3 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of flour, all-purpose preferably, and a 1/2 stick of butter. And so I'll get this all started fried up and I'll be right back. Okay, my sausage is all done. And that's another thing I like about this brand. It doesn't produce a whole lot of fat and oil like some of the other brands. I just love Jimmy Dean. Anyway, so I'm going to add this 1/2 stick of butter. And it's easier if you just slice it and add it. Much easier, my friends. So I'm going to get this all chopped up. You see I have my sausage all pulled to the side. Trying to make sure I keep that sausage all pulled to the side so I can get me some room to work with. Going to whisk in my flour. Use the other thing. Get this out of there. Want it too brown. I want it dark. You know what I mean? Add my milk. And this is going to thicken up. All this is going to thicken up. So I'm going to let this cook down and thicken, and I'll be right back, my friends. Okay, I got this. Is turn my heat down. Add some salt and pepper. Really don't really need any salt. Like lots of pepper. A little bit of salt to your taste. Like I said, I already had my biscuits done. Turn this, and there it is, my friends. Sausage gravy, just that fast and just that quick. Sausage gravy. And I'm gonna get my biscuits. What I do with them? Wash my hands, because I touched that sausage pack. I had already baked my biscuits this morning, guys. Yeah, see, I'd already baked my biscuits. So, I'm going to take a biscuit and spoon some of this gravy over. Once I cut it in half, rather. Let's take one of these. When I make biscuits and gravy, I make my biscuits a little thicker. I make them thicker when I make biscuits and gravy. Because you want to be able to sop that goodness up. She likes a lot of gravy. And some people can eat two of these, 2 biscuits and gravy. And there you have it, my friends. Biscuits and gravy, really quick meal, delicious. I just think it works better when you cook it in a cast iron skillet. And this is enough. I cooked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I cooked 10 biscuits, but my husband ate 2. He doesn't eat this, so he had his own special breakfast this morning. I cooked his breakfast before this was done. So this is enough to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, to put over 7 biscuits. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you do make it for you, your friends and family. You know what I always say, you can keep it to yourself. So hold on, my friends. Here it is, biscuits and gravy. Remember I said when I make my biscuits and gravy, I make my biscuits a little higher. And you can achieve that by doubling your recipe and cutting them thicker. Okay? Thank you guys for joining in and hanging out with Auntie this morning while she prepares, that sausage gravy. With those biscuits, again, you want my recipe for my biscuits. It's on my channel, Southern Buttermilk Biscuits. But if you want thicker biscuits, all you have to do is double the recipe and you cut them thicker. That's it. cut them thicker, and you'll have thicker, fluffy biscuits still. Okay. Until then, thank you all for your support. Hit that like and subscribe button if you're viewing my channel for the first time. Love you all. Hugs and kisses to each of you. Love you. To the next video. Bye.